Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enter incognito mode within Chrome. We start by opening Chrome. Next, we will click on the three top dots of Customize and Control Google Chrome. Here we will find the new incognito window option. When we click on it, we will see that a new tab opens in hidden browsing mode. If you prefer, you can access it more quickly using the key combination of Shift plus Control and plus N. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.